Do you like scalloped potatoes? You do? Yay! Then you came to the right place because we're gonna be making some plant-based, cheesy scalloped potatoes. I'm so excited about it because, I mean, who doesn't love scalloped potatoes? I grew up on scalloped potatoes and it was awesome, gotta say. Anyways, what's up, Veggie Fam? Welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm Rose from Veggierose.com, also from here, from YouTube. I post 3 videos a week. We do plant-based foods, we do vlogs, lifestyle, motherhood, all that good stuff. So if you're into that sort of thing, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. So let's get into it. Let's do it. That's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys make this recipe and enjoy it as much as we have. Love this stuff. And yeah, I will talk to you guys soon. I love you all. Bye.